Hey guys, what's up? Shumala here. Welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. Let's make Mutton Mandi today. It's traditional Arabic meat and rice dish. It is made all across the Middle East. The combination of soft and tender meat with aromatic rice along with the Arabic style tomato chutney will make you fall in love with it. I am using mutton pieces. You can also use whole mutton leg. It is one of the easiest recipe. So let's see the process. First step is to blend the whole spices. Add 1 tablespoon roasted coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin seeds, 7 to 8 cloves, 6 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 tablespoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon saffron. Grind it and set aside. Second step is to marinate the mutton pieces. Add half kg mutton in a large bowl. Goes in 1 tablespoon green chilli paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon mandi spice mix. Combine all this together and set aside for 2 to 3 hours. Third step is to cook the marinated mutton. In a pressure cooker, add 100 ml oil with 2 tablespoon ghee. Goes in 2 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves. To this I am adding 2 finely chopped onion. Add 1 chicken cube, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute till onion becomes translucent. And now I am going to add marinated mutton. Mix this nicely and cook this for 5 minutes. Goes into finely chopped tomatoes. You can also add tomato paste. Give this a very good mix and cook for 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add 5 glasses of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 6 to 7 whistles. Once it's done, open the lid. Remove all the mutton pieces and set aside. Fourth step is to roast almonds and cashews and keep this aside. Fifth step is to fry the mutton pieces in the same pan. Add 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place the mutton pieces. Fry both the sides till it becomes golden brown. Once it's done, remove it and set aside. Last step, sixth step is to make the rice. Take a large pan, add 4.5 glass of leftover mutton stock. Add 3 cups soaked basmati rice. Cook till the rice is completely done. Once it's done, place all the mutton pieces on top. Place small foil. Place hot charcoal. Pour some oil on top. Close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. Now transfer the rice on serving dish. Place mutton pieces. Garnish with roasted almonds and cashews. Serve it with Arabic tomato chutney. Your scrumptious Arabic mutton mandi is ready. This recipe gives you deliciously aromatic Arabian rice. It's perfectly cooked, moist rice with the most tender mutton. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try this at your home and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.